If you're into minimalism and distraction-free note-taking, you might have heard of the Capacities app. It's a super simple, ad-free, no-frills writing app built for people who want to focus on their thoughts without extra clutter. No formatting tools, no menus, just a clean screen and basic markdown if you need it. It's like the deep work version of taking notes. That sounds great in theory. And honestly, it really helps if you hate distractions and want to write fast without tech getting in the way. But here's the catch. Capacities isn't for everyone. If you need rich editing, cloud syncing across devices, or advanced organization features like tags or folders, this app will feel limited. So, is it worth using? If you're a writer, thinker, or creator who wants to slow down and focus, yes, definitely. But if you're looking for powerful note-taking with all the bells and whistles, you might want something like Notion or Obsidian instead. Let me know if you've tried Capacities. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews every week. See you next tutorial.